Yeah. Him is like a Jamaican mafia, you know. And the reason why Mr. Mullins so serious when it come on to him is because him training.
I really want to take down that brother, yeah. Worse, he might be involved in Annie's death.
Whisper tell you say must look out of your third eye. More you take that very serious. We don't know the kind of connections this man did have to Annie's. We only suspect him to be involved with her, just not on paper. So we don't know what is his deal with coming after any one of us. So we have to be careful.
Remember, I said the file photo we see is an old photo. It's so far just King and Carlton know him look like no. So we have to always look out of the eye.
And Mr. Mullins sure say he want to put little miss attitude on the case there.
Tonian, take your emotions out of it. She's the closest person to Carlton. Mr. Mullins won't chance it with me. Celine and Carlton have a relationship. So that him a go play pan. So just calm.
See there? She and him in a relationship. That means that she emotionally attached to him.
Well, I pray say the ship not sink. And if it not sink, hope she know for abort the ship.
For some reason, I not trust that girl's judgment. Like she make everything bad her.
Awa. Keku can't go spot same body black. Kai two on the body black.
Weird. Where you get that from?
Tonian, seriously? It means to pick the beam out of your eye before you pick it out of somebody else's one.
So who only get them talk you from?
It's alright. You will learn. You're a young bud. You don't know storm.
Well, alright. We will learn. But I can't learn from hungry belly.
The phone already ate. Alright. They're gonna come. Mr. Mullins give me some assignment details for you. So, while I share the food, we'll wait up. Come. You're gonna come. It's like you don't want my food. You're the two of them.
Wagwan.
What's up, Sandy?
Nothing bubbles me there.
You good, mama?
When you come look for me.
Sandy work off me and way. Me just busy. You know, say I don't say me don't want forward, but me just busy. You know the work set.
Girl, you have to take a break. You have to take a break. If you don't take a break, the work will kill you. You have to take a break and come relax.
Me know.
Relax.
Me know. How
You
Nyla?
know, say you need some 16. She turned 16 this month. And what you say, a big girl, a big woman.
Damn.
She all a big party. You not try come for your party.
When our party?
A party of February 10th, my dear. She a big alabalu. You have to come try make it.
Oh. Me not promise, but me go try. Me not promise.
Right.
Me not promise.
Alright, but not go send nothing to her. At least you can surprise her if you come.
That's what's up. You know me stay ready. Hold on 1 second, Sandy. Sandy, may I call you back here?
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm. Come in, Shepherd. Shepherd, I walk by your hand round there, sir?
You see me pa me hand? You hear them a walk upside down.
What is the reason for this visit now, Shepherd?